Five little eggs were sitting in the nest on top of the tree and all at rest. Five little eggs were sitting in the nest on top of the tree and all at rest.
On top of the